Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact Insufficient storage isn't quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just open Task Manager and then go to details. Now here just close the application. Here go to process, not the details, and close the applications that you don't need. After that open your files and make sure you have enough space for Genshin Impact. If you don't have enough space, just go to settings, apps, and that's it. Just remove some applications that you don't need. Just click on it and click uninstall, and after that just go back, restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.